So what's going on, guys? I'm heading out to the junkyard today to see if I can find some parts for my car. The doors are a little messed up on it, so I kind of want to see if I can replace them. I also need some molding for around the back window, so I'm going to see if I can find that. I found the molding on eBay, and I mean, I can find the doors in other places, but I don't want to drive to Atlanta or anything like that. So we're going to go check out this junkyard that I've gone to since I was a kid, and they said they have a Caprice. All the junkyards around me didn't have a Caprice, and I must have called, Jesus, like 25 junkyards in, you know, my area, probably within 60-mile range, and only like one or two of them had anything. So we're heading out there now, and this is, like I said, a junkyard I used to go to when I was a kid and pick parts for my old Impalas and Caprices back then. So it'll be interesting. Got a Chevy cab right here. It's in pretty rough shape. That was a frame too. Short bed, pretty beat up. Said there's an Impala out here, but I just see a two-door Malibu back there. Fuck, I hope I didn't. Shit. Caddies. Whoa, look at this bad boy. Damn, a Riviera. This is Delta right here, boy. These are kind of ate up, these cars. Holy crap. We have the chickens and roosters in the background. It has to be the best part of this video. Look at that van. Dang. weird truck. '86 Caprice. So missing the bezels. He said they're about to crush this car. He's got an X on the windshield. I think he's got most of it. It's got the taillight pieces in there. I'm gonna grab the molding off the back window for now. So we just left the junkyard, and lo and behold, I was able to get the trim that I needed for the back window. But kind of to sweeten the deal, I was also able to get the entire car. So basically, I saved the car from the crusher because they're gonna crush it in about a week or two. And now I'll have the car at my house. It's never gonna get crushed. I'll be able to save it. I'll be able to look at it. Be able to do whatever I want with it. Probably what we'll do is just still continue to fix the car we got now. Take this car since it has a title and everything. Maybe we'll make it a race car. I don't know. Maybe we'll make it a drag car. Maybe we'll just get rid of the parts after we get the parts we need off of it. Who knows what we're going to do with it. But I'm just glad that we were able to save it from being crushed. I mean, they had a ton of other cars in there too, so seeing all those, this car that I bought has actually been in this junkyard. If this October of 2021 would make it 10 years of it sitting in this junkyard. So it's been living its life in this junkyard, and they were gonna crush it this week or next week, but their tractor was broken. And they said they haven't had anybody call on it for a long time. So he's like, do you want the car? Sure, let's take it. So yeah, now we got a new car. They're gonna be delivering it sometime this week. And it has some parts on there that we need, some parts on there we don't need, but we just have parts. So we're gonna be the Caprice saviors. The saviors of the Caprice. Ta-da! So, if you like this video, if this video was interesting to you, looking at all the, wrecked cars they had in there, that was pretty interesting just walking around. I kind of enjoyed that, to be honest. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'm sure it didn't help you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll be making some more videos here soon. We're going to be continually working on this car, and we're going to need stuff, and maybe we'll be at another junkyard soon. I don't know, but it was hard to find the Caprice. That one was the only one within 60 miles or something. Sorry if my camera is shaking around. I'm holding my phone, driving. So, yeah. Later, guys.